Hello folks, it's Johnny again, and today we are going to discuss a very much first world problem. I have too many guitars. So, I gotta find some space or some extra space to put guitars. For that I got me this. What is it? Hercules guitar hanger for the wall. So my plan is to put this behind here. So I have a guitar hanging in front of these absorbers. I think that's gonna look pretty cool. But now here's the thing. As you can see, this thing is pretty long. So here we have the wall. And then here we're gonna have a 5 to 6 kilo guitar hanging. So there's gonna be lots of forces going on back here. And now, look at this cute little screws they put. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. So kawaii. And here's the anchor. So I don't really trust these. If you have hung something like this with these and you don't have any problems, then leave it in the comments below. I like to learn. But just to be sure, I'm gonna replace this. Hang on. I'm gonna replace this with this. As you can see, there's like 3 times the size. Yeah. And for anchors, I'm gonna replace this with this. So yeah. Here, cheap plastic. All this is gonna do is spread out. And this one is a more professional grade anchor that's really gonna squash in and pull the screw further in, and this is gonna really lock tight. So let's get working. First of all, let's move these right here. If you're wondering how I'm hanging these up, well, I put this magnet foil strip in here just with normal glue that's suited for plastics, and then metal strip on the wall, just nailed it in, and there you go. So I already marked some dots where I want to hang this, but I may actually need to go a little bit higher, like this. Yeah, this looks good. All right, let's do this. Yeah, does seem to hold quite a little bit of force. For starters, let's give it a not so important guitar. Okay, and then these can go back. All right, would you look at that? That's looking pretty cool if you ask me. Also for videos. Now I have to say it's standing off the back wall quite a bit. I wish it was a little bit closer to the wall, but yeah, I didn't find any hanger that had the right length for that. This is really the only one I could find. Other normal hangers don't extend far enough with their handles so the guitar can hang in front of these acoustic panels. Well, yeah, again, just a first world problem. Nothing big, nothing major. And that's that. Let's see if it can handle a 7-string. Yeah, looking pretty good. But no, I actually don't really want to put the 7-string there. I kind of want to put this one here. Kind of looks better. With a wood finish, kind of fits also the rest of the room to make it suitable for backdrop for videos. So, that's that. See you next time.